There is Gerard Dreyer from Africa Outdoors. Last week, there were some problems. I couldn't go to the range to shoot to test the arrows, but we're going to do it today. Remember, there's a Timo arrow that I use Timo's knock and fletching unit, and then I'm going to use one that we fletch ourselves with new vines, and then I'm going to shoot another two arrows. That you can buy on Alibaba or AliExpress and even Timo. So enjoy the range that we shoot, that we are going to shoot. We are going to shoot plus minus at a range of 10 meters. Now we are going to shoot this one, the Timo knock and fletch unit that we built, that we did. The one that we built Saturday. And those two, one is from Alibaba, one is from AliExpress. We two going to test. Remember, the target is 10 meters. The bow that we are using is a Kamiya. I hope I pronounce it correctly. It's a bow from China. And before anybody shoots me down, yes, I know it's Chinese and stuff, but you must buy what you can afford. Okay. There's the one that we built Saturday. But just remember, it's not about accuracy. It goes about the flight of the arrow. Just one moment, my jackal falls off. I'm back. My jackal is up and ready again. The arrow from Alibaba. Now this one is from AliExpress. Let's go and see how it looks. Not too shabby. This one is the fledge unit, and then the rest. I will say it's not too bad to try to shoot onto it, but yeah, it's up to you. All that I can say is go and enjoy the outdoors. From me, Gerard Dreyer, and the team from Africa Outdoors, enjoy the rest of your day.